In this class we will learn how to create rounding with the command of Fillet and chamfers with the command Chamferâ, key commands for the completion of the models. To begin with, we open the file available in the class and we will create rounding in the living corners of the template by activating the Fillet command. With the Edge Fillet option active and the Edge option under a select media, just click on the edges we want to round. By dragging the shown arrow, we modify the radius value, but we can enter an accurate value in the radius field. Let's look at another way of use by clicking on a lupa in the select media field. Now, with one click we select multiple edges, which will receive the same rounding radius value, speeding up the modeling process. To confirm the execution of these rounding and continue with the open command, we click Apply. Next, in a select media we choose a feature and now we can round up an operation. In this case, we will select the rib, which can be done by clicking on it in the graphical area, or by clicking on its operation in the browser. We set the radius value to 5 mm and confirm the command. We move the end of part so that it is above rounding and activate the Fillet command. Let's get to know the option All Fillets. Note that by checking this option, rounding is applied to all inner corners of the model. Already if we check the option All Rounds, all the living corners of the model will be rounded. We can also do face rounding by selecting this option and clicking on two faces, see. Finally, we can create a full rounding by clicking on this option and selecting three faces. And we must select the face on one side, followed by the center face and the other side face. In the following, we will meet the command Chamferâ. By default, the distancia option is active, where we should only report a distance that will be applied on both sides of the chamfer. Just click on the desired edge and we have the preview displayed. Dragging the arrow, we change the value of the bevel. With the distance and anglia option, we need to enter a distance value and an angle to create the chamfer. Next, we must select the face where the chamfer and an edge of this face will be created. The distance value will be applied relative to the selected face and the angle relative to the adjacent face. We can move the arrow to modify the size of the chamfer that will be created. We inform the value of 10 mm and the angle of 30 degrees and click Apply to confirm the chamfer and continue with the command Open. Finally, we have the option To Distance, where we report two distances to the chamfer and click on the desired edge. By clicking on the button shown we reverse the positioning of the distances for the creation of the chamfer. We confirm command and have the bevels created. We conclude this lesson, where we know the commands of Fillet and Chamferâ, which are very useful for the finishing stages of the models.